Welcome to the liquidity plan. What's the liquidity? Do you remember the symbol of the liquidity? Yes, you're right. It's the oxygen. Without oxygen, how much can you survive? 3 minutes, not more. And the oxygen, it's a liquidity. Even if you are doing a lot of profit over a year, over a long period, you can get bankrupt in a short term because of lack of money. So what's the difference between liquidity plan and profit and loss statement? The profit and loss statement, it shows the income and the expenses. So it's when you get income and what's the value and the consumption of value for this income. And the liquidity plan, it's the cash in and cash out, and it's not the same. So the goal of the liquidity plan is to have a look, do I have enough money during the whole year to pay my bills and to have enough money to live? Let's make a short example. I have a carpenter shop and I'm producing furnitures in wood. In March, I'm buying some wood, solid wood. So I have a cash out because I have to pay it in cash. In April, my laborers are working to produce these furnitures. And then in May, I meet the customer and he's buying my furnitures. I have here also a cash out and I will get here cash. So I have here a cash in. Now let's have a look on the profit and loss statement. Here in May I sold my furnitures. And that means in the profit and loss I have here now the income. It counts, it has a look on the date of the invoice. So it's in May. I have a turnover and I have the related costs for that income. You see the difference? Buying raw material, cash out. Working, cash out. In May, finally I get the customer, he's buying my furniture, I have the cash in. So I have 3-month period total from the beginning of March to the end of May. And that's the difference. So it's not the same. The profit and loss shows the net profit over a period, and the liquidity plan shows, do I have enough money to pay my bills and to live? And if you have a look on this period of time, from March to May, what's the most important question you should have? Yes, you're right. Now what? Now what? How? Maybe one question could be, how can I longer the time to pay the raw material? It's a question of negotiating with my supplier. If you have the customer here, you can ask him to pay in advance. So you have a very short time of cash outs and cash in. So these questions are important to ask and to find solutions with the liquidity plan. You can get bankrupt in a short term because of lack of money, even if you're producing a lot of money in the long term. Remember?